Good evening, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com. Little evening webcast tonight. So we're starting with the hourly chart tonight, actually. You can see 44.85.75. That's your high of the moment. Pushing into 83. They opened it, they touched 80. We basically been in a three handle, more like a 1.5, two handle box all night between 82 and 84. It's about 10 after 9 Eastern time as I'm doing this. But, the general situation with the tape is it just built upon what it did Friday. So higher low versus the monthly pivot test over the top of the 20. They open it. They establish the 9-day as support. They open it. They take it up, bring it back in a little bit, but we're just kind of hovering here. And if you look at daily chart, well, down and back, down and back, down and back, down and back. And what we see now, and I want everybody prepared for this. I don't want this to be, what's happening? What's going on? We're not ripping to the upside. We're not jamming to the downside. Has all of the volatility gone away? Will the volatility ever come back to the market? What are we going to do now? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to calm down, okay, and understand that if these patterns hold, you got a lot of small range days here, right, that are dripping to the upside. A lot of small range days dripping to the upside. A lot of small range days dripping to the upside. Well, they bounced it back, and what could we probably see here? A lot of small range days dripping to the upside as we head into Labor Day. Makes a lot of sense, right? For the last 2 weeks of August to finish the summer. You think maybe one or two people might be vacationing? Maybe. So I just want to lay that probability out for you. And it's not a low probability outcome. Chances are we are going to slow grind this sucker up to 4,500. And then we're going to have to see what that big round number looks like. Are we going to churn around it on either side? We've seen that a whole heck of a lot in dealing with 4,300 and 4,400. There's no reason to think that 4,500 wouldn't be the same. Now, as we have in the past, we will absolutely be able to take advantage of these moves, make our days, make our weeks, and move on to the next day. But understand that if the current pattern of this tape that has been going on since May holds true, we could be getting ready for some very, smaller range days that just kind of drip everybody to the upside. Okay? 5-minute chart. Not very exciting, right? Here we are. So there's your 85. They brought it back to 75. We took all of our stuff off at 77. So that was the runner from 37 last night, the runner from 57 off the open this morning. So it was a really solid opening the week for us, about not quite 33 handles on a Monday. We will take it on 2 trades, literally 2 trades. And we sat around and did zip all day long. We bought it last night. We bought the open. We managed the trade. We rolled up our stops, and we let the tape work for us. But you can already see, and I'll zoom in here. But you can see what's happening. We are hanging out. So let's see what we wake up to tomorrow. But I really want everybody to start to let into their mind the mentality of, okay, they tried to take it down. They bought it. We ripped it back to the upside. That was fun. Now we're back into the mode of the slow drip to the up. All right. Everybody have a fantastic night. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. See everybody in the morning for the market webcast.